Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever wanted to dive into PUBG Mobile KR, but felt limited by VPNs? It's true, accessing regional game versions can often be a hassle, requiring extra steps and sometimes even slowing down your gameplay. But what if I told you there might be a simpler way? Stick around as we explore how to potentially enjoy the Korean version of PUBG Mobile without a VPN, with methods updated for 2025. So, why is the KR version such a big deal for many players worldwide? Well, it often boasts exclusive events, unique cosmetic items, and different gacha mechanics compared to the global version. This creates a fresh experience that many find appealing. Since it's managed by a different publisher than the global game, it operates distinctly, leading to these regional differences that players worldwide are eager to explore. Typically, official app stores like Google Play or Apple App Store will region-lock the Korean version to, well, Korea. This means if you're outside that region, you can't just download it directly without a VPN to change your virtual location first. However, the good news is that there are very popular, trusted third-party app platforms that distribute many region-locked games, including PUBG Mobile KR, making it much more accessible for everyone. When it comes to playing PUBG Mobile KR without a VPN, your best friends are platforms like TapTap and App. These are well-established third-party app stores that specialize in offering games from various regions, including Korea. You can simply download their app, search for PUBG Mobile KR, and download it directly. The best part, they also handle updates, so you don't need to manually re-download anything or use a VPN for patches either. It's a straightforward process. A couple of final, important tips for playing PUBG Mobile KR. Always make sure you're downloading from trusted sources like TapTap or App to keep your device secure and your game legitimate. These platforms typically manage all future game updates for you automatically, so staying current is easy. With these methods, you can finally enjoy all the exciting features of PUBG Mobile KR without the extra hassle of a VPN. Have fun out there on the battlegrounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.